Hello friends, I have completed my bag. This is the 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 lines I have made. This is the ripple stitch, and here I have attached to another color yarn. This is the border part of this bag. You can attach the fabrics inside this bag, and now I am making the belt part of this bag. So here I am making the two belts. So you go to this is the front part. You go to the corner and take your favorite color yarn. Here I am using 2 color yarn at a time, and here I insert my hook and make one slip knot or single crochet. Make 1 2 3 4 chain. Count a first DC 1 chain, and make one more double crochet in the same space. Now I am turn it. You turn it and make 1 2 sorry turn it and go to the space and make one slip stitch and make 4 chain and 1 DC or double crochet in the same space. And then turn it and go to the space and make one slip stitch and make 1 2 3 4 chain and 1 DC in the same space. This is a pattern for belt I am using. This is a very simple and unique pattern for belt. You can make it. I have made the same pattern, the required length for belt, and then I am going to the other side here. So I am making 4 chain and insert my hook in this corner square and make one slip stitch and make one double crochet, and then I am cutting the yarn, and you make the same pattern another side also. This is the one side handle of this bag, and you can attach some beads in this space between the DC stitch. you make one more belt on the other side of this bag. Hello friends, I have completed my bag. Here I have attached one same multi color flower, and I have attached one button also. This is a belt, and if you want to attach one button, then you can do it. Here you attach one buttons. This is a very unique and beautiful pattern of the bag, and you can try it, and please send me your feedback and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.